13 largest ports in India. India has 13 primary seaports, with the Mumbai Port Trust, previously known as the Bombay Port Trust, being one of the country's largest natural ports. Here are the list of major ports in India or largest seaports in India. Kolkata Port, Paradeep Port, Visakhapatnam Port, Kamarajar Port, Chennai Port, Tuticorin Port, Cochin Port, New Mangalore Port, Mormugao Port, Mumbai Port, Jawaharlal Nehru Port, Kandala Port, Port Blair Port,